Hi guys, welcome to your own channel, the AIM Trader. We can see that what I have told you, if it opens a gap up, then it can comes down. Okay, whenever this trend line will break, you can get very nice move. So you can see that it comes down, and when it breaks this line, okay, you can take here position. Okay, this is your target, what I have told you, and this is your stop loss. Okay, up till here you can see that your risk to reward is to 1 is to 5. You have taken this trade, you have got 1 is to 5. Okay, yeah, this is very nice move. Whenever I have told you that this is the trend line, if it breaks, then you have got very nice move. You have to see first it, if it opens like this gap up, then don't take any position. You let them cross once again, come down, and then cross the trend line. If this crosses the trend line, you surely got a very nice move. Within a, you can see that 1 2 3 4, within a 4 candle you have achieved the that what I have told you, that target. Okay, you have got very nice move also, and very nice. You, if you have buyed a option C, then you have got very nice premium also, because it is a very nice big candle, then green, so you have got very nice move here. Okay, next what happened, if it comes here, then comes once again, you can see that this is the pin bar candle. If you once again you have taken here, okay, what is its low is your stop loss. Okay, it's your low is stop loss, and you have taken here position, you got very nice move here also. Okay, this is what I have told you, and this is, you have to see whether you got something or not. Okay, whenever I have told you also, whenever this trend line will cross from downside, it will give you very nice move. Okay, whenever I will draw like this trend line, if it comes from downside to up, okay, it crosses this, then you have surely got nice move. Okay, remember this. Okay, now in Dow Jones, you can see that here what I have told you is that if it taken resistance here, okay, you can see that it taken a resistance. Okay, it taken resistance here. Okay, taken a, once again it comes. Okay, taken resistance. You, what I have told you, first target, it conformably achieved this target and comes once again upside, and taken resistance here only, and consolidate and close down Nasdaq. Okay, if this is like a sideways market only, but in option buying you have buyed a P, so you have got very nice move within 5 to 10 candles, means within a half an hour you have got very nice move. Okay, yeah, up till here to here you have taken up this trade, you have got very nice move. Okay, now we can see that how tomorrow Nasdaq and Dow Jones will work. So now what we have seen that now Nasdaq, this is the one area which I have shifted, so this is like a supporting area for us. Okay, now what we can see is, if it will crosses down this, okay, if this will cross, okay, you got very nice move. Okay, you have to see this, you got very nice move, it will breaks here. Okay, if it take resistance here, okay, comes and take support, and again trying to break it. Okay, whenever it breaks, you can take position for 16,100. Surely you have got 16,100. Okay, for today. Okay, if it opens very much big gap up, okay, sort of thing, so don't, if you see some price action, then only you can take it, otherwise don't take it. Okay, like this, it comes down and then breaking this high. Okay, then you have to take it whenever like this. If you can see that this is the 30 minutes candle, okay, 5 minutes, then it comes down, then if it crossing this line, okay, like this, if this cross, then you can take a position here. Okay, Now we can see that your first target will be this. Okay, if it opens gap up, otherwise what happen, it will slightly gap down opens, then it take a resistance here, come down until here and take here support, and like a sideways market it will goes. Okay, in downside what we can see this, if it taken resistance here, your first target will be this, and second target will be this, and third target will be your this. Okay, this three target in downside. In upside, if it flatly open and breaks, then it taken a once again resistance, or in flow it crosses, you can go and buy this, and up till 16,100 and 16,150 also you can see today. Okay, now we can see in Dow Jones. Okay, this is the one trend line what I have made, this is the one trend line. Okay, this is also a one supporting zone. Okay, whenever you can see that this is looking like pole, and this is the flag, pole and flag pattern. Okay, whenever this will break, if it opens slightly here only or something, okay, what you have to do is, if it will slightly open here only, or comes down here and take support, then you can go for very long. Okay, up till what projection is here, you can see that at least 0.60. okay, you have to project from here 6.0. okay, up till here you can achieve in Dow Jones your target. If it comes back, okay, taken a resistance, it if opens very big gap up, then you have to take see that it taking here support, then you can go for your first target, and this is your second target. If it opens here only flat or something, then crosses this line, okay, then you have surely got 216 points in Dow Jones. In downside we also see that in downside, if it breaks down, okay, what happened, if it breaks down, then it continuously take here resistance and come down. Okay, your first target will be this, and second target will be here. Okay, you can see that. Okay, once again I have told you Nasdaq and Dow Jones how you have to trade. If it open flat, taken the resistance, your first target will be this, second and third. If it crosses in flow, you can go for 16,100 or 16,150. If it taken a resistance here, come back and take here, you can take here position, and your stop loss will be very less. 16,000 will be your stop loss. Okay, 16,000, at least 10 to 12 only points will be your stop loss, and this is the one area, if this will break, you surely got 16,100 and 16,150 until. Okay, this is the one in Dow Jones. You can see that this is the making a pole and flag pattern line. Okay, if it crosses, then surely it reaches until here. Okay, in flat opens, and then it crosses the this trend line. Okay, this trend line, this one. Okay, if it crosses, if it opens slightly gap down, then it taken resistance, your first target will be this, and second target will be this. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.